Understanding the benefits of electronic signatures not only helps in cutting down unnecessary expenses related to printing and mailing documents, but also enhances convenience in our digital age. Additionally, the ability to sign documents directly from your phone boosts accessibility, enabling users to manage important paperwork even while on the go. In this tutorial, we explore the tools available in Microsoft Word 2019 for electronic signing, providing a step-by-step guide that empowers users to leverage technology effectively. Though using a mouse to sign documents may pose some challenges, it remains a practical option for those who are comfortable with this method, particularly within Microsoft Word. Conversely, for individuals who struggle with mouse signatures, signing on a phone offers a practical solution. The signed document can then be easily transferred to a computer. To effectively manage signed documents, Microsoft OneNote proves to be an indispensable tool. Users must ensure it is registered and pinned for effortless access on their computers. Downloading the OneNote app on your phone serves as a crucial initial step in the document signing process, facilitating seamless integration with your desktop. Using the same account across both your phone and computer guarantees that your signed documents remain accessible on all devices, a synchronization that is essential for maintaining an efficient workflow. The OneNote application includes various tools for signing documents, such as a paint tool that allows users to customize their signature, thereby enhancing the overall signing experience on mobile devices. Signing a document on a phone provides users the capability to edit and save their signatures effortlessly, ensuring a seamless and convenient approach to document management. The integration between mobile devices and computers stands out, as users can effortlessly access their signed documents on platforms like OneNote, enhancing productivity. Finally, resizing and formatting documents in Microsoft Word post-signature allows users to tailor their documents to specific requirements before sharing, ensuring professionalism.